Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Google Translate and picking your languages. This gets the workflow moving immediately. Next, make sure the audio icon is visible and you've chosen a voice if available, because that controls clarity. Once done, open your device's text-to-speech settings and confirm the preferred engine is selected. Adjust system volume and app volumes separately so you don't boost one while the other is low. This avoids distorted faster playback later. Now increase the TTS playback speed gradually. Change by 0.1 increments so you can hear effects without breaking articulation. Test with short phrases from the Translate app. This gives immediate feedback on intelligibility and naturalness. If the voice begins to garble or drop syllables, switch to a different TTS engine or lower the speed by 1 step. Make sure to retest with typical sentences you'll use, because conversational phrases behave differently than single words when sped up. Finish by choosing the fastest speed that remains understandable. Commit to it so your workflow is consistent. If playback lags or stops, clear the app cache, restart the device, or reinstall the app to eliminate corrupted temporary files. Make sure Bluetooth or external speaker latency isn't adding delay. Test on the device's built-in speaker first. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio clips, switch engines or reduce speed by 0.1, because minor drops usually mean the engine can't buffer faster output reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.